Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use one name on Facebook. Okay, now let us get started. What you're gonna do is to go to your Google Play Store, search for your Google Play Store, and then open up your Google Play Store. Then head over to the search tab and search for VPN LAT, and then you search for VPN LAT. So you have to install the VPN LAT. So after the installation, you click on open. So now what you're going to do is to scroll down. Okay, scroll down, keep scrolling down till you get to Indonesia. You can see Indonesia from here, so click on Indonesia. So now you got to click on the first country option, then tap on connect. So now we have connected. Let us minimize that of the VPN, and then now we have to open up our Facebook application. So when you get to your Facebook application, you click on the menu section, and then now you have to scroll down to the bottom, and then click on settings and privacy. Now you click on settings, then you click on account center. So from the first place you go to see profiles, click on it. So now you have to select on your Facebook profile. Now you go to click on name. Right now you go to clear the names. All right, you can clear the names, and then you just remove the names. Then from the first name, which is compulsory, you got to put your preferred name. Okay, after putting the preferred name, you come over to the last name. Okay, then you give a space. Okay, once you have given a space, just tap on review change. So here is a preview. So preview your new name. So if you think that is the right name you want to choose, then you click on save changes. So name updated successfully. So guys, that is how to change your Facebook name in a single form. Okay,